Ginger produces a hot, fragrant kitchen spice. In Vietnam, we crush it and soak it in boiling water. A lot of ginger with a little bit of water, and use it when we are feeling ill or having stomachache. I still remember how it tasted, and I didn't like it, but after using it, I always felt better. I still use it with honey to make tea, especially when I'm on my period. If you have stomach problem, ask your doctor before using it. For me, it works every time. To keep ginger for longer, it can be placed in a plastic bag and refrigerated. Ginger is used heavily in pho, and it is grilled before we cook it with water to make broth. Shallot is a type of onion but has a milder flavor. Finely sliced deep-fried shallots are used widely as a condiment in Asian cuisine. But we don't use deep-fried shallot for pho, otherwise your broth will have too much aromatics. Grilled shallot can be cooked with water to make broth. Yellow onion, brown onion has a strong flavor. Yellow onion is the go-to ingredient for every beef dishes, while red onion is the go-to ingredient for every fish dishes. Something I learned long time ago. For pho, grilled yellow onion will be cooked with water to make broth. For pho garnish, we can combine yellow onion and red onion in a 1/2 ratio. Green onion has a milder taste than most onions. Their close relatives include leek and chive. I also like to add chive into my every soup. Green onion will be served in a last minute as topping for pho. As garnish, like yellow and red onion, they are cut into thinly pieces. The white parts of green onion, yellow and red onion could be put into cold water then as topping for pho. They will be quickly mellowed by the hot broth ladled into the bowl. I prefer sea salt and uses a little less, because it can be added more later if desired. Yellow rock sugar is the go-to sweetener for pho, but if you cannot find it, you can use organic cane sugar or maybe a sweet apple. And don't forget to peel it. MSG monosodium glutamate E621 is the sodium salt and is found naturally in tomatoes, cheese, and other foods. The European Union classifies it as a food additive, permitted in certain foods and subject to quantitative limits. I don't add MSG in my broth. It is already added in cuisine and sriracha dipping sauces, which is served beside fish sauce when you eat pho. In these ways, you can personalize your pho bowl at dining table. For me, fish sauce is the indispensable ingredient of soup. It is added when the broth is finished. Soy sauce and maggi give a meaty flavor to meatless pho broth. Mushroom seasoning and nutritional yeast can be used to perfect your broth, but it turns broth cloudy. Okay, enough inside. We are gonna go outside.
Succes.
So that is for today. See you next time.